You only need a handful of ingredients to make this delicious Lebanese tomato and burghul dish, and the flavour is far bigger than the effort. Start by heating the olive oil and butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the diced onion and cook until softened and lightly golden. Stir in the tomato paste. And add the diced tomato. Cook these off for a good couple of minutes until the tomato breaks down slightly and becomes fragrant. Then add the coarse burghul, salt, black pepper and baharat, and stir well to coat the burghul in the tomato mixture. Pour in the water or stock and bring it to a gentle boil. Now reduce the heat to low, cover and let it simmer for 15 minutes. The liquid should now be absorbed and the burghul should be nice and tender. Serve it with some freshly diced tomatoes, freshly chopped parsley, and another little drizzle of olive oil. And that's it. It's that simple. Nothing fancy, just good honest food that always hits the spot. Serve it warm with yogurt, with olives, with fresh veggies. The kind of meal that proves simple ingredients are sometimes the best. Don't forget to save this recipe.